Hi everyone, this is Julie. We are putting a barn door on this small bathroom entryway that goes in from her bedroom to the bathroom, and we're going to replace the white door that you see here, and we're going to put a sliding barn door. So I'm going to go outside and I'm going to see what Tristan's doing. Okay, so the door is already built, and the header that goes above the door for the barn door to slide on is already built, and Tristan is just now putting on the sliders. I guess that's what we call them, these things.
Rollers?
The sliders. And he's drilling the hose. You can see this is a small door, and she wanted a little bit of distress look, so I distressed it a little bit for the customer, and then it will have a black handle on it also. I think it will look really pretty. Get rid of that white door. Okay, everybody's going through for the barn door style now. We have a whole lot of calls for barn doors. So the hose are already drilled, and now Tristan will screw that into the top. It's a hot day out here.
Yeah.
How hot is it, Tristan?
Hot.
We don't like working in customers' homes, so we have to do it on the bed of the truck, redneck style, right?
What did you say?
I said we can't work inside somebody's home, so we got to do it redneck style.
Redneck style?
Redneck style, do it on the bed of the truck.
Word.
We build the barn doors and stuff at the house, but put everything else because we have to measure the customers' walls and stuff like that. So that's why we do it on the bed of the truck. A Toyota truck, as it is. Can't do it on a Ford or Chevrolet. Has to be a Toyota, right, Tristan?
What?
Has to be a Toyota truck, right?
No.
Speaking of my Toyota truck, this has 269,000 miles on it. I never had a problem with my Toyota. I always think I'm going to break down just any time, but I don't. I put tires on it, keep the oil changed, that's about it. And literally it has 269,000 miles. The 2014. Okay, so now Tristan's putting the hardware on. Okay, now we're measuring where to put the header.
I want to restart that video.
So how do you know that the black iron thing that it slides on, it's 60 inches? How do you know where to center that on that wall?
Huh?
How do you know where to put the header and the slider on the above the door? How do you center it on? You just, like, the end of it will go right here and 60 inches that way?
I'm talking about, like, to know how far you can slide your door?
Yeah, like,
Well, yeah, I mean, if you got your door, you're gonna put your beginning of your railing and stuff at the corner that it's sliding away from,
okay,
and then it's gonna slide away.
that way as far as
Yeah.
it can go.
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to hold that?
I get it.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
What size screws are those that you're using?
3-inch drywall screws.
3-inch drywall?
Yep. Coarse thread.
And all the other, and now you're leveling to make sure that board's level,
Mm-hmm.
because the door would be unlevel if that board is not level.
Yeah, even if your measurements are the exact, what I measured was from the top and from the top to get this close to where I need it to be. And then you always resort back to your level to make sure it's actually level. Even if you're going past, like I'm already going past my little line that I made. But that could be because either the floor's off or the roof pitch is off.
Right.
So you always got to go back to your level.
Because most houses are not level because of the foundation.
Especially in Texas.
Yeah. Hey, don't talk about Texas.
Oh, well, we have bad soils. Watch out.
And after this, we put the black thing on.
The track.
The track, which is right here. And that's 60 inches. That board is 60 inches. Now you're trying to find the studs to put the black thing in, the track, because you want that on the stud, correct?
Yeah.
To hold the door, the weight of the door. Now is the header in the stud?
Yeah. It's all in studs.
Yep, that one is for sure.
Yeah, this one is.
Missed that stud, huh, stud?
Yeah.
Once you find one stud, if the house is built correctly, it should be on what?
It should be 16 on center.
16 on the center.
Let's see. And always 16 on center. 16 on center will be right here. Might be one right there.
Huh?
Oh, there might be one right there.
That's the hardest thing, is trying to find the studs if you didn't build a house. How the builder built these homes.
Yeah, it's always fun.
And you found it.
Yeah. Wow.
For now, he's taking out the screws, the ones that he didn't hit a stud. Okay, everyone, that's just what I wanted to show you, how to put a header in for a barn door. I'm going to do one where you put the track in, and then one when you put the barn door. So there'll be different steps on how to do a barn door. So the first step is to get the style and the color that you want, build it, and then stain it, and then put your header on, and then you put your track on, and that will be in my next video on how to do a track. Okay, thanks everyone. Be sure to subscribe to me, push that like button, and watch my other videos. Thanks, bye.